Hi folks, I'm going to show you how to use Infobase American History, a database that will help with the American Revolution project. We're going to start at this Research Resources page, and we're going to go over to Social Studies. And as we scroll through here, we're going to see all kinds of different tools for searching. And if we scroll down, aha! Infobase American History. So we're going to click there, and here we are at the main page. Take a few minutes to look over the main page. You're going to see right away there are featured primary sources, which are sources directly from the time period, documents, speeches, etc. As we scroll down, we see some maps and graphs. There's different videos and slideshows, multimedia. They highlight people, and off to the side you'll see you can browse resources by timeline or primary sources. You can browse by topic, such as America at War, daily life, even eras, and you'll see a few more below. So when you're getting to know a database, it can be a good idea to just kind of browse and get yourself familiar with it first. So we can go to Browse here, and since we are doing the American Revolution, maybe we want to take a look at what daily life was in the colonial and revolutionary era. Let's click there. And here we come and see a whole bunch of topics, like what were the social attitudes like? What was religion and education like? What about entertainment? Migration, transportation. Now, one of your articles needs to be on a topic of your choice, and I believe medicine is one of those topics. So maybe we explore here public health, medicine, and nutrition in the colonial and revolutionary era. And we get a whole article. We can learn about the smallpox epidemic, and on and on. We'll see some photos from the time. So this is going to be a good way to give yourself an overview of medicine during that time. Now, if we want to use this article in our research, we need to cite it. So up at the top here is the citation. So you click there, and there is the citation. So the citation basically is the article that we used, we put it in our bibliography, and then we cover our bases in terms of giving credit where credit's due, and we avoid plagiarism. Now, there are some other things on this page. For example, there are different tags. So if we want to explore some of the information in this a little bit further, we can. We can click on any of these things. Maybe we want to learn more about Cotton Mather, and then we click there and get more. Now, maybe we want to focus our search a little bit more. We want to focus on a couple groups of people, which is also one of your articles. So I'm going to look for Native Americans Revolutionary War, and just go ahead and search and see what I get. And we get some results. So up at the top, you're going to see a few different things. We have articles. We also have primary sources. Again, those are the documents from that time period. And we have images, videos. Sometimes there's timelines. There's no timelines in this one. And news. Let's go back to articles, and we see, okay, Native Americans in Revolutionary America. That sounds like what we're looking for. And we can scroll down, and you'll see highlighted are the things you searched for. Remember, we used Native Americans Revolutionary War, so they're going to highlight all of those terms. And we can kind of scroll down and read and get an understanding of the role that Native Americans played in this war, what different groups were doing during this time, and get a little more information there. Again, you'll see, so this is coming from a book. So if we want to dig in and learn more about what Native Americans were doing in different time periods, we can. We can get some definitions of different tribes and different words like assimilation, different acts that happened. And then again, we see tags. So these are the topics connected to this article. Maybe we want to go a little deeper, learning about, well, I want more about Fort Randolph, and then I can click there and it will bring it up. So for this, you're going to either browse the different topics or search for a specific thing. You can also search battles, and take your time to explore the articles, the images, the videos, to really get an overview. And the primary documents are very cool because they are connected to the era. I hope this has helped you figure out how to use Infobase a little bit more. Miss Madden is always here, and so are your teachers. Go forth and search and be empowered.